Hey guys, Suyun here with another episode of What's My Blank. Man, it's been forever since I got out of the house. I feel like it's been almost 3 weeks since quarantine has been effective in New Jersey. I've been staying home. I haven't been able to go outside. All the local stuff are pretty much closed. Can't go outside and get a haircut. I haven't shaved myself at all, so I just been home. But thankfully, I still can order stuff online. The item I got is the week 6 Supreme item. The week 6 was a Timberland drop that has pretty dope crew neck and some of the other Timberland item, but one of the most thing that was anticipated and unfortunately I wasn't able to get is the Supreme Oreo. Man, did you guys get any? Because I tried trying to get 4, sold out faster than I could even check out, so that was a bummer. But I think there was supposed to be a restock on Monday that didn't fare well for me, so took an L on the Oreo, unfortunately, even though I wanted that so badly. I even thought about buying resale for like once. Like, I never bought anything resale, but for this one I thought about it for like 20 bucks, but I couldn't. There was another item that dropped, not Timberland or anything like that. It was the Supreme Money hoodie and shorts. I thought about getting a hoodie, but I do have a lot of hoodies, so I passed on that. And it was very busy design, so I didn't want it like too busy on the hoodie itself. So I decided, hey, if I'm gonna get something crazy design and busy with the money and showing and everything, I might as well get it as short so I could wear something clean top, and that's it. So that being said, let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, it came like this in this plastic bag, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Here we have it. Came with 2 Supreme box logo. Man, I've been like getting nothing but box logo red sticker. I haven't got anything special in terms of sticker last 3-4 drops now, so this is unfortunate. In the bag it came with the Supreme Money shorts. Now let's go ahead and open this up as well. I got size medium. This is the first time buying shorts from Supreme, so I wasn't sure what size to go with. But I figured, I'll go with medium. That's what I go with for the most part. So right off the bat, they have the Supreme Bling Sweatshort tag here. This retail for $128. I think I paid $138 with shipping and stuff. But we have the Supreme tag on the back and pretty much money design and print on the front and back all the way around. I have one pocket back on the back pocket here, but other than that it's just pretty baggy looking sweatshorts. If you look at it, we have a lot of jewelry printed, some stuff that you'll be able to recognize. I think some Cartier diamond bling watches, dollar bill, $20 bill, Supreme on the blink over here on the back pocket. Each back has the $20 bill and the dollar bill on towards the bottom, and again the Supreme on the front. So actually the front and back looks like the same exact design, I think. So I think the front and back is actually identical. I'm pretty sure, looking at the design, that back and front is exactly the same design. That said, let me go ahead and put this on, give you guys a closer look, and we'll wrap it up.